Saturday morning. It's almost like 6 a.m. I'm at Hart Park, Wauwatosa, Wisconsin, on State Street, and this here is a skateboard park, a pavilion where bands play, and now it's one giant pond. Now, here's the deal. Up here is the road that I normally go down to get back to where I live. And look at it. It's a raging river. Look at that. This is right here. I'm gonna go, wow. This is a pedestrian walking sign. Look at that sign right there. I ain't walking through this stuff today. But here's the deal, guys. Right here is it's whitewater rafting in a park, Hart Park. It's just absolutely amazing. Here's the thing. Whether it's cloud seeding, chemtrails, or just one heck of a bad storm that fell really, really quickly and stayed in one spot, Milwaukee County specifically, for 8 hours, this is what happens. They're forecasting even more rain later on today, and this sucker isn't going anywhere anytime soon. So, yeah, I don't think you'll be parking over there. Be safe, everyone, man. Peace. That's a bridge. Not past.